Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 30. The name of the chapter is manufacturing industry. Now dear children, you know very well that the classification of the industry was divided into two types of. One is agro based industry and second one is a mineral based industry. Agro based industry already we have completed. Now in mineral based industry we have also completed. In mineral based industry already we have completed about the iron and steel industry. Now next one dear children, they have given about the aluminium refining industry. Which one they have given in the mineral based industry? Next one is the aluminium refining industry. It means the after the iron and steel industry, the aluminium refining is another important industry. Which is the another important industry, dear children? After iron and steel, the aluminium refining is a very important another industry. This mineral is a light in weight, strong, malleable, smooth conductor of the electricity and the rust proof. Whatever that, dear children, here the aluminium refining industry, this mineral is a light in weight, strong, malleable, and the smooth conductor of the electricity, the rust proof. Other mineral are, now what happened there here, other mineral are mixed with aluminium, which is useful in making car, railway, aeroplane, and the machine. Now what happened that here children, here in the aluminium the other mineral are mixed with the aluminium, and after using it this is useful for making car, railway, aeroplane and machines. About 40 to 50% of the expenses is incurred in the electricity. How much? Near about 40 to 50% of the expenses is incurred into the electricity. So this is the industry is found where the hydroelectricity and the bauxite are available easily. Where this industry is found, dear children? This industry is found where the hydroelectricity and bauxite are available easily. So dear children, we can say that the aluminium refining industry are found where the bauxite and aluminium ore is available easily. Factory producing aluminium are established in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. These all are the name of the major states where we have to find out the aluminium refining industry. Which are the states here? Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Next one, dear children, they have given about the copper refining law. Which one, dear children? Copper refining law. Now, the copper refining, the use of the copper has increased due to its properties such as easy conductor of electricity, and it can be mixed with other mineral easily. Which one, dear children, they have given? They have given about copper refining. Copper refining, it means tambu gadana. That's why they have given that uses of the copper. The uses of the copper has increased due to its properties such as easy conductor of electricity, and it can be mixed with other mineral. Remember, it can be mixed with other mineral easily. Copper is useful in electric industry. Dear children, you know very well that copper is useful in electricity industry in making of refrigerator, air conditioner, automobile, radiator, domestic utensil, etc. where we are using the copper. First copper refinery unit in India was found by Indian Copper Corporation. Dear children, remember what? The first copper refining unit of India was founded by ICC. It means Indian Copper Corporation at Ghatshila, where it founded the Ghatshila in the Jharkhand state. In 1972, this ICC, it means Indian Copper Corporation, was handed over to Hindustan Copper Limited (HCL) Besides HCl today, copper is produced by private sector also. Yes, domestic production is not enough, so it has to be the imported. What happened then here, children? We can say that here the domestically the production is not enough, so it has to be the importer. And you know very well that you remember the important point that copper is useful. Where the maximum copper is useful? Copper is useful in electric industry, making of refrigerator, air conditioner, automobile, radiator, and domestic utensil. Now next one, dear children, they have given the information of chemical industry. Which one? Chemical industry. You can say that it is known as the Rasayan Udyoga. The position of chemical industry in India is important. What happened there? The position of the chemical industry is very important into the India. Chemical are of the two types of. Dear children, what happened there? Chemical are of how many types? Two types of the chemical are there. One is organic and second one is inorganic chemical. Petrochemical is the main organic chemical industry. Which one, dear children? Remember that petrochemical. Remember that petrochemical is the main organic chemical industry. It is used in artificial fiber, artificial rubber, plastic goods, color, chemical, and in the medicine. Dear children, remember that chemical industry, it is also used in artificial fiber, artificial rubber, plastic goods, color, chemical, and its medicine. Organic chemical industry is found near the oil refinery in the petrochemical center. What happened there? Organic chemical industry we are found near where the oil refinery and the petrochemical center is there. India has an important position in the world in the insecticides industry. Gujarat lead in the country in the chemical industry. Which state lead in the country of the chemical industry? Then dear children, remember that Gujarat lead in the country in the chemical industry. Ahmedabad, Baroda, Ankleshwar, Bharut. These all are the major center of the chemical industry. Which are the major center of the Gujarat of the chemical industry? Then you remember that Ahmedabad, Baroda, Ankleshwar, and the Bharuch. Next one, they have given about the chemical fertilizer industry. Which one? Chemical fertilizer industry. It means Rasayanik Khatar Udyoga. Previous one is only chemical industry. It means Rasayanik Udyog. This is the chemical fertilizer industry. It means Rasayanik Khatar Udyog. First chemical fertilizer factory of India was established in 1906. Dear children, remember that. What happened the chemical fertilizer industry? This first factory of India, the chemical fertilizer industry, was established in 1906 at Ranipur in Tamil Nadu state. Where? In Tamil Nadu state. The development of this industry started when Fertilizer Corporation of India started its factory in Sindri. What happened there? When its development of this industry was started, the development of this industry were started where the Fertilizer Corporation of India started this factory in Sindri. Sindri, where it is located? It is located in the Bihar state. This industry is centered in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala. These all are the major states. In Gujarat, the factory producing chemical fertilizer are local at Kalol, Kandla, Majira, Bharuch, Vadodara. These all are the major and the main producing factory center of the Gujarat where chemical fertilizer industry is located. Next one, dear children, they have given about the information of the plastic industry. Which one, dear children? Plastic industry. Plastic industry is also known as a sunrise industry. Remember, dear children, which is known as a sunrise industry. Plastic industry is also known as sunrise industry. And presently, we all are living into the Dhoraji. So, dear children, Dhoraji, you have to see that the maximum industry are in Dhoraji, the plastic. So, we can say that plastic industry is also known as sunrise industry. there has been the constant increase in the demand of the raw material for the plastic. Whatever that, there has been a constant increase in the demand of the raw material for the plastic because it is a waterproof and it can fit into the any mold. It is used in baking, chemical, textile, building construction, vehicle manufacturing, electronic, etc. What they have given that here children here, they have to given that the plastic industry here the waterproof and can fit into any mold. It is used in baking, chemicals, textile, building, construction, vehicle manufacturing, electronic, etc. Important center producing the plastic are Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Bangalore, Vadodara, Vapi, Kanpur, Coimbatore, and the Chennai. These all are the name of the major center where the plastic industry is located. After dear children, they have to given the information about next, the last one industry is the cement industry. Which one, dear children? Cement industry. Last one is remaining. Which one? Cement industry, dear children. Now, the cement is inevitable in construction of road, dam, etc. India ranks second after China in cement production. Dear children, in cement production, India ranks second after the China. It produces about 6% of the world production. How much? It produces 6% of the world production. Limestone, coal, gypsum, bauxite, clay, etc. are the raw material for the cement industry. Which are the raw material for the cement industry, dear children? Limestone, coal, gypsum, bauxite, and the clay are the raw material for the cement industry. The raw material and the product have more weight. What raw material and the product have more weight? So the cement factory are located where the raw material is available in abundance. What happens that the cement factory are located where the raw material are easily available near that area. There is a fairly good development of this industry in the Gujarat. What happens that here there is a fairly good development of this industry in the Gujarat. And already you listen the name of so many cement factories also. Ambuja Cement is there, Hathi Cement is there, L&T is there. These all are the name of the industry. They are producing the cement, and we are using a cement for the constructing the home, building, and we are using for the other purpose also. So dear children, we learn in the mineral based industry about aluminum refining industry, copper refining, chemical industry, chemical fertilizer industry, plastic industry. Last one is the cement industry. Thank you, dear children.